Welcome back. We have now been over the File menu, the Home menu, the Insert menu, Design menu, Transitions menu, the Animations menu, the Slideshow menu, and now we are about to walk through the Review menu. And you'll notice that there are 7 submenus: Proofing, Accessibility, Insights, Language, Comments, Compare, and Ink. Now in the Proofing menu, you have a spell check application as well as a thesaurus application. So to spell check your document, all you'll need to do is to click that panel, and then PowerPoint will walk through your document and show you different words that you may or may not have misspelled. You can also use the thesaurus setting, and by clicking this link, what will happen is that PowerPoint will look for those words that you highlight to try to find some kind of synonym that you might be able to substitute. For example, if we highlight the word install and we click the thesaurus application, you'll see that there are some alternatives that Microsoft PowerPoint will give us. And what PowerPoint will do is when you click the Accessibility tab, it will analyze your document for issues of accessibility. So for example, if you have certain aspects of your presentation that may not be friendly to the blind or to those who are hearing impaired, PowerPoint will give you suggestions on things that you can do to improve your PowerPoint presentation. For example, you'll see here that there is a warning that you could be using captions for your audio and video. PowerPoint also has something called Smart Lookup. So if you will highlight a specific word and you click the Smart Lookup tab, PowerPoint will give you some alternatives to redefine what you're looking for or to explore it more. You can also translate different parts of your presentation into a different language, and you can do that using this panel. And then you have what's called the Comments panel. And the Comments panel is basically for you to either write notes about things that you want to go back and edit, or for you to work collaboratively with other people on one particular document. And so, for example, we can click the New Comment button, and then we can write a comment into the comment area. The comment will have the commenter's name so that when you are working collaboratively, you'll know who made what comment about a particular aspect of one particular slide or several aspects. And what you'll notice is that once you make a comment, you'll then have the comment menu entirely available to you. Now you also have the inking menu, and what you can do with the inking menu is you can click on Start Inking, and basically this gives you the ability to write on your PowerPoint presentation. So for example, you'll see we're able to draw and longhand. If you need to erase what you have done, you'll just click the eraser, and then you'll no longer be able to see the writing on your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.